In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over when should we be selling our stocks. Welcome back to the live stream, guys. My name is Bruce Wang. If you guys are brand new to the channel, don't forget to give me a like, smash the like. Also, subscribe if you guys haven't already. And let's get right into it. So in today's video, we're going to be going over a screen share really quickly. A lot of people have been getting crushed in the markets over the last week, me included. Let's jump into the portfolio. So we're using WeBull for our portfolio today. If you guys are brand new and haven't seen or used WeBull yet, I have a link right there in the description, pinned to the comment section as well. Go sign up, easy. You get some free stocks as well, so why not make some free money? So this is my portfolio here. Let me take this off screen real quick. Portfolio sitting at $17,000. Give me a second. Let me check something really quickly. What's up, guys? We see re-up gang. I'm seeing Andrew. I'm seeing Young. I'm seeing Low. Who was the first commenter? We see Always Learning. Welcome to the live stream, guys. I'm gonna take a quick look at something here. All right, we're good. We're good. We are good. Good morning, everybody. 46 people in here jumping in. We're going to get an early start. We're going to get everybody in here. So I've been going earlier and earlier every single day. Hopefully you guys are enjoying that. What do you guys think is going to happen today? I'm thinking maybe is there going to be a recovery? Let's see. Let's jump through the quick 3 stocks of the day. We got a big 5. I don't know if this is 6% or if this is... All right, it's 5%, $6. All right, I'm still learning how to use WeBull really quickly. This is probably my 3rd or 4th day on WeBull. Let's see. We got Rocket Mortgage. I told you guys to take your profits on Rocket Mortgage. Down 32%. That's horrendous. It's down $13. And let's take a look at Tesla before the market opens for regular trading hours. Tesla's down almost 5%, down $33. What are we going to do? So my plan so far, all right, let's look at this. Good morning, guys. We got Connor. We got Poor Man's Investing in the chat. My plan is basically, if I'm able to hold, I'm going to be holding to my entire position. I'm not planning to sell. But if there are some companies in my portfolio that I'm up a ton, I might consider taking profits. For my personal trading strategy, I'm going to be doing covered calls and cash covered puts. So I'm going to be doing an options trading strategy. But if you guys are a lot newer to investing, I wouldn't recommend. I don't think that's going to be the best way to go about it. I think the best way to go about it would just be either diversifying into an ETF like VOO, VTI. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Holding on to your positions if you can. So this is VOO. This is going to be the top. This is an index of the top 500 best American companies, and because they're such big companies, they're more likely going to give you some global exposure, some international exposure. So VOO is only down 1.32%, down less than $5. So I personally own like over $10,000 worth of VOO, and yeah, I think that's going to be the best situation for most people. About 25% of my investments are in VOO. In ETFs. So my portfolio is very diversified, very, what would you say? I'm going to show you guys my entire portfolio here real quickly. Let me show this on the screen. So I'm invested 240,000. Jesus, can't even talk this morning. What do you guys think? Are you guys selling? Are you guys investing more? Like I said, I would be buying into companies that I have high conviction for, companies that I will be holding for 3 to 5 years, and less speculation plays. Go like 1%, 5% on the speculation plays. That's what I'm planning to do. You're gonna be going crazy if your speculation plays like 20% and then you just lose all of it. So just be careful with that. Good morning, everybody. We got our first dono of the day, Dylan. Do you guys know Dylan? Dylan is from the Chappelle Show. Maybe I'm too old for that. All right, let me throw this up on the screen, guys. Thank you for the super chat. Hey, Bruce, keep up the good work, and thank you for being transparent. You're the man. No worries, buddy. I got you. I give the people what they want. We got Kevin in the house. We got Jose. We got Christina. Welcome. Good morning, guys. I'm starting to turn into a morning person. We'll be doing the live streams. I got a lot of ideas about the show. I got a lot of ideas about the channel. And if you guys have any inputs, drop them into the comment section. I can do more live streams. I could do shorter content. I'm planning to do some shorts. I got some funny segments that I want to do. I got a lot of ideas. I just need some of the time to do it. All right, right here, for anybody that just jumped in, I'm going to reset the room. We got 200 people in here. We are using WeBull. If you guys want to use WeBull like I am, which is a pretty good website. This is not the website like going on to Chrome to get here. This is the desktop version. So I'm going to show you guys my desktop here, right here on the bottom right, WeBull desktop. And so many good features here. This is my entire position when it comes to my WeBull account. And let's see, which one is the best? So my best so far, best company here is going to be Asana and Carpenter Tech. I'm actually a lot more bullish on Asana. Yelp is also a great company as well. Oracle, New York Times, Ken Holdings. I'm deep into Ken Holdings, but I'm really down on X1. Let's say X1. That sounds pretty cool. When to sell Tesla? I feel like in 5 to 10 years. All right, so I'm gonna be honest with you. The last time that I sold Tesla, I completely regret it. This was in 2019. This was before they start taking off. I sold Tesla at like 250 to 300, right? I sold around that time. I had a few shares, like 4 shares. That was before the split. All right, so Tesla ran up to like $4,000, right? Somewhere around there, and then they split. They did like a 5-for-1 split, 4-for-1 split, something like that. The price got dropped all the way down to like $400, and then it ran back up again. So I sold Tesla before the split, and I regret it so much. So Tesla, I'm not going to, make the same mistake here. Tesla is not just a EV company. Tesla is not just it's a autonomous driving company, all right? In 5 to 10 years from now, they're going to have all of their Tesla cars be completely autonomous. They're going to be able to drive us themselves. That's like the grand vision for Elon Musk. I saw a podcast with Joe Rogan. I can look that up here. I can link this to you guys. Let's see. This is the newest podcast. All right, this is not the older one. Let me get this out. Okay, I gotta accept the cookies. Is this the right one? I think it was this one. So in this, he basically said that he wants it so that whenever we're in a Tesla car, we could just get in and then it'll drive us to where we want to drive it. The car will drive us. That is his grand vision when it comes to autonomous driving. And what is that worth? Is that even built into the price right now? I would say it's somewhat built into the price, since a lot of people are saying Tesla's very overvalued. So just be aware of that. On top of that, it is a power company, right? It is a battery powered company. So you got to include that into the price action here as well. As we saw in the last maybe month, Texas was blasted with a cold front, and they got crushed, right? Their power grid got shut down. Imagine if let's say 50% of Texas had power banks, not even Tesla power banks, but just like, solar panels collect, and then the power banks to collect this solar energy, how much easier would have been for people in Texas to be able to survive the cold front? Because I know a lot of people were having to go into hotels. All the hotels were booked up. You got to be aware of that, man. The future is coming fast. That's why Kathy Woods is such a revolutionary figure when it comes to investing, because she's going all out when it comes to future tech and all of these other type of companies. Where are we on GME? We can go and run back on GME. I covered GME really quickly. GME is sitting at 124. I still need to figure out a way to turn on pre-market hour times here on the WeBull. Let me see if Robinhood is moving. All right, so on Robinhood, we are down another 0.33% on the pre-market hours. And right now, I'm going to take a quick look at GME for you guys. GME looks like it's up 1% pre-market hours. And that's good on you guys, man. That's good on you guys. A lot of information coming out with GME. March 19th is supposedly going to be a deadline for the squeeze. And hopefully it comes for everybody. But in the meantime, right, in the 2.5 weeks we have left, we got to make some money elsewhere, right? Especially if GME does not move as bad. Michael, I know I don't use Robinhood. I'm still bad habits are hard to get rid of. We had a super chat I got to acknowledge here. Christian, thank you for the super chat. You think Top Shot moments will hold their value? All right, so my conspiracy theory when it comes to Top Shot, NBA Top Shot. All right, so we're talking about basically non-fungible tokens, and non-fungible tokens, I feel like it will be tied hand in hand with cryptocurrency. Okay, so as long as crypto can maintain a very stable price level, roughly around 50,000, we're talking about Bitcoin here. If it can stay around 50,000 without crashing, I think Top Shot will not crash, or their moments will not crash. It'll hold somewhat of their value because a lot of people are buying these NBA Top Shot stuff. So we're talking about NFTs, guys. This is a very speculative investment, and I'm thinking the only people that are jumping into NFTs right now are like crypto whales, crypto millionaires, people that are high risk, high reward. So basically, when it comes to NFTs, you're gonna be going to Top Shot is one of the most popular ones where you can get moments like from LaMelo Ball, from Edwards. I was looking at Brian Jung's stories yesterday, and we know who Banksy is, right? Banksy is doing some crazy stuff when it comes to NFTs. So he's starting to burn his artwork but he's turning his artwork into NFTs, and then he's burning the original ones. This is insane. A lot of his artwork's already going for hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I can show you this, but I just need to mute the art enthusiast burn a Banksy print, then sells it as an NFT. Think about that, man. I wonder how much it sold for. So we're going into some current topic news, guys. If you guys are brand new to the channel right now, we have 400 people in here. What's up, guys? Welcome to the early morning show. It's 9:16. We're covering some early morning news. Drop a like if you guys haven't already, and we'll go back into when to sell some stocks. But I think this is it's going to be big news here. So I believe Brian Jung's actually in this video. He should be in the background of this video. So I'm not going to play this music because I think I'm going to get demonetized. So this guy's basically saying he owns this piece of artwork, and he's about to burn this up, baby. All right, he's burning it up right now. And I believe this NFT sold for $100,000 plus or something like that. All right, thanks, Poor Man Investing. I will look into it, man. EXT extended hours button at the bottom right of day ranges. Thank you, Poor Man. I'm gonna take a look at that right now. Bottom right. I'm a complete noob when it comes to all this stuff, dude. I gotta figure this out outside, man. I can't see it. I'm on pressure, man. You're putting too much pressure on me. What's up, SY? What's up, Michael, man? Dominic's in the chat. 503 error in the chat. What's up, guys? We're going over when to sell some of these stocks here because a lot of you guys are panicking. And that's probably the worst time to making emotional decisions is going to be the worst thing when it comes to your portfolio. Tibbs, thank you for the super chat. SLGG potentially merging with GME, getting censored on WSB because sub 1 billion. Please read DD on Reddit user SLGG. Let's take a look at that really quickly. SLGG stock. Super League Gaming. Interesting. Very interesting. This is from Santa Monica. Will it merge with GameStop? That is, I mean, we are looking into something very speculative. Obviously, none of this is concrete news yet, but this would be a pretty big move here. So this is Super League Gaming. This is the first time I'm hearing from this, so we're just going to look into it. Play your favorite games like never before. Our unique tournaments will let you dive deeper into your local gaming scenes, improve your skills, finding friends. I was doing some due diligence when it comes to GME. I think I'll make like one separate video, and we can just go from there. So very interesting news. We got a lot of leagues here. There's a lot of bullish news when it comes to GME. Let's take a look here. So maybe that's why it's pumping so hard. 30%. Possible. If you guys are looking at buying today, right? If you guys are looking at buying today, consider buying something you're down on. All right, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for sales. And I'm going to be doing very dollar cost average type buys. Oh, we got Acosta putting in put seasons. Let's go. We got Dev in the house. What's up, guys? 500 people in here. Drop a like if you guys haven't. Is AMC dead? What's AMC? I never heard of that. AMC Entertainment Holdings sitting at $8.58. It's just not moving. Is that why you're saying it's dead? It hasn't moved for basically the last 3 days. You guys are nuts. Man. Right next to the auto button, dude. Look. I don't see anything, dude. I see refresh data at the bottom. Am I even in the right? I'm looking for estimated amount. We got positions here. We got trade. We got active trades. Alert. NASDAQ. I don't want to go in there. There is no auto button. Dude, shoot me a DM, bro. Shoot me a DM, dude. Shoot me a DM with the screenshot. Dude, I'm getting roasted right now, guys. Let's take a look at FinViz so we can take a quick heat map of what we're going to be looking at FinViz here. Market's going to be open very, very soon in the next 8 minutes. Bottom right of your MACD, man. Bottom right of your MACD. My God, dude, I am so blind. EXT next to auto. You guys are... Holy mo, fuck, dude. You got me. You got me, dude. I got it. All right, we got it. It's done now. All right, we got it. We got it. So this is the button for you guys if you guys are looking show extended hours, which is what I had off the entire time. That's why I had to go back to Robinhood. So now we can just avoid all that to begin with. I'm going to follow this, guys, for all you AMC heads. Jeez. You should have learned it before streaming. Get out of here, ASMR, man. Get out of here. Helion. If you guys want to learn about Helion content, I would suggest Matthew Huo. He is the Helion master. We're all learning. All right, guys. For anybody that is using WeBull desktop and you guys want that extended hours, right here where my mouse is clicking over, all right, this is the button that you want to press. And if you guys don't want extended hours, I don't know why you guys wouldn't. You just press auto. All right, man. We can go through the entire GME's pumping right now. They're with no volume, all right? Make sure whenever you're looking at stuff like this, check out the volumes. Check out the volumes level. I don't need any order entry. I can just remove this. There's no volume here. Why is it moving up? Maybe the hedge funds are just trying to pump this up right now. Let's get into Rocket Mortgage. These are the top 3 companies everybody's looking into right now. Rocket Mortgage just moving sideways. Hopefully everybody took profits up here and just continues to ride this through. Rocket Mortgage over the next 3 to 5 years is going to be legit. It's a legit company. I think most people need to just understand what is a legit company and what's not a legit company. Tesla's moving up, guys. Tesla's moving up. Yesterday was a perfect time to buy some stocks in Tesla. You can see the RSI indicator. This is the RSI indicator, relative strength indicator. Once it goes below 30, I look at that as a buying opportunity. And if I'm down a lot on this position, that's when I would consider buying more. When to sell. If you have the ability to hold on to your positions and try to weather through the storm here. Over time, your portfolio should do better. My portfolio should do better. I bought Tesla at 530. I want to buy more. 530. Just be careful in here. Like, there's a lot of things going around saying bull trap, bull trap, bull trap. Basically, pre-markets, someone pushes up the price, and then so it makes it look like it's a good time to get in, and then they would just buy into it, and then the price would tank some more. So go in this with caution, all right? Bull traps is a real thing. So just try not to get caught up with like the day-to-day red, green, red, green, red, green. I would, look at it like buying legit companies that are undervalued. All right. In the stock market trading, a bull trap is indicating an inaccurate signal that shows a decreasing trend in a stock or a index has a reversed and is now heading upwards when in fact the security will continue to decline. Be careful of bull traps. This is what I'm referring to. So this could easily be a bull trap, right? Or it could just be a fake reversal of the price. Just be careful. If you're buying into this, just be patient. Thomas, a lot of people lack patience in life. A lot of people I'm going to be real with you for a few minutes here. A lot of people are thinking getting into the stock market is like a lottery, right? Oh, where can I put this $1,000 so tomorrow I'll have 10,000. That's not how it works. You know, there's many strategies to make money in the markets. For me personally, I like dividends. I like value stocks. I like the wheel strategy, selling calls, selling cash covered puts. Those are some ways I'm making income from my portfolio, and it's growing over time. Right now, when the markets are starting to decline like this, I would really stay away from speculation stocks. So I would make speculation plays even less. Don't make your entire portfolio seem like it's just one thing. All right. Your entire portfolio is mixed up of a diverse amount of companies, and only a small percentage of that should be speculation plays. Speculation plays is basically gambling plays, something that you're making a bet on. You're making a Wall Street bet on. Rocket will have a dividend soon, and this will shoot up the price. Yes, I saw some due diligence on that. I will be making a separate video, so stay tuned for that. I'll be making a separate video on that. I just need to find that due diligence report that I saw so I can report back to you. I think it was like a $1.15 dividend for Rocket Mortgage. Buy the GME dip. If the entire portfolio was GameStop, you'd be winning right now instead of jumping into stupid meme stocks that have nothing to do with DFV. It's tough, man. I did not do that personally. I did not go. I went deep into GME. Seriously, dude. I invested probably first time I put 10,000 in, 10,000 plus 2,000 for a buy call, and then the second time I bought in another 100 shares at $50, $40. So I was in it for almost $20,000. Bruce used his brain. This is why we listen to this beautiful man. Bruce is my age. My brother looked him up. I'm 32. I was born in 88, Lower East Side of New York, baby. Calling me a big guy, Tong. Awesome, dude. I'm turning 20. I'm turning 33 tomorrow, so I'm a little bit older than you. I don't have GME. I will personally buy more into GME once everything stabilizes. I actually like GME for the long-term play. When it comes to Ryan Cohen, I truly believe that he could push this company into multi-billion, like tens of billions of dollar company. If he's able to, buy into buy a game streaming service. He's already done a lot of stuff when it comes to GME, right? He's already got rid of almost the entire executive board. We just got the CEO for GME to get removed right now. But one interesting thing that he's done is you can like go into GameStop on DoorDash, I believe, or one of those platforms where you can like have a gig economy job where you can send somebody into GME to buy you something. So that's gonna earn a lot of extra revenue. Like I feel like the next quarter's earnings are gonna be ridiculous when it comes to GME. We got the 30-year-old gang in here. Thoughts on Walmart? Dude, Jim Cramer has been talking about Walmart on his Jim Cramer's been talking about Walmart on his Twitter feed lately, and it got me kind of curious to see what's going on here. So Walmart's dipped down quite a bit from its all-time high. All-time high was basically last week when it comes to a lot of the companies that we've been looking at. So all-time high for Walmart is sitting at 132. Currently, it is sitting at 128. Walmart is not a growth company anymore. It's more of just it's a really matured company, right? Let's look at the financials. Good financials, very solid growth annually. Even through this pandemic, right? This was January 31st, 2021. This is pretty good numbers. And as long as they can continue to strengthen their online presence, their e-commerce presence, I feel like that number will continue to go up And still, Walmart is a big competitor to Amazon. As long as they could steal some more market share from Amazon, I feel like this company's not going anywhere anytime soon. What's up, Michael H? We got the biggest troll in the house right now. We have 562 people here. Welcome to the morning live stream. Why everybody is talking about Rolls-Royce? Whenever someone talks about Rolls-Royce, I'm thinking about the car. You know, for automotive companies like Rolls-Royce, I don't know why they don't do as well. I think it's just because they cater to a different class of people, right? They're catering to the 1% of people that can afford a Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce was a selling opportunity right here. It was overbought, and a lot of people sold off when it was at all-time highs of $1.70. Man, this does not look good. Is this even the right? A UK-based engineering company, the company focused on. I'm looking at the wrong industry. Are you talking about this company right now? Nope, this is the right industry. So I guess they do more than just make luxury cars. Huh, very interesting. This is the Rolls-Royce sign, the logo. I know that for a fact. I'm thinking about this. Rolls-Royce was a British luxury car and later an aero engineering manufacturing business established in 1904, Manchester, United Kingdom. This is what I'm thinking about when I'm thinking about Rolls-Royce. They make plane engines. Yeah, definitely aerospace. They've converted to aero engine manufacturing. Over the last quarter, they've done pretty well. Gross profits down almost 18%. Oh no. This is probably why they're not looking too good right now. Marketing and administration expenses down 26%. Jesus. You know, being a luxury vehicle right now, being a luxury anything right now is not good. It's not good, especially when the economy is doing this bad. Good morning, people. Let's bring up the energy in here. What's up, guys? Let's reset the room. We got 579 people in here. My name is Bruce Wang. We're talking about when should we be selling stocks? When should we be selling off on a company? If you are just doing some pure speculation plays, that's probably going to be the companies that are going to be doing the worst for you. All right. So over the last 2 to 3 months, we've seen really good gains in the markets. A lot of us have. And just over the last month or two, a lot of us have been going into hype stocks, FOMO companies, meme stocks. And I think a lot of us are getting crushed on them. I personally completely out of many of my speculation plays. And right now, a lot of people is just living off of hopium. They're just praying for a payoff, praying for a squeeze. And I don't think that's a good strategy for long term. But for the short term, you know, as long as other people are buying in, I guess is good. But just think about this. What are you going to do after? All right. What are you going to do after all of this gets blown over? Just consider that. All right. Consider that. That's what I'm planning to do. Yes, you know, I'm in the mix when it comes to day-to-day stuff, but I'm looking ahead for the next move. What's gonna be going on here? Thoughts on GME? Are we just not talking about GME right now? Like I said, be careful of the bull traps. All right. Be careful of the bull traps. GME, I feel like it's going to just hover around this $100, $120 range for the next few weeks until it just slowly continues to climb down. I have no thoughts on a lot of these companies you guys are telling me to look at. What do you think of Nova? Looks like a strong long-term buy. I need to look more into Nova. No thoughts on Nova at the moment. Rocket is going up again. Man, everybody's in love with Rocket Mortgage right now. Rocket Mortgage is up 8%. It is 937. Let's go. Portfolio not looking too good today. It's up a little bit. Let's see where the market's headed. Where is this? We're going to look at Fin. Viz. Why is this not working? So I'm going to share this guy with you guys. Take a look at that. I don't know why mine's not working. Maybe it's too early. Buzz ETF. All right, so Buzz ETF is something I actually wanted to look at. Is it even in the markets right now? Nope. Where can we buy Buzz ETF? It's supposed to come out today. Today is Thursday, March 4th. It's 9:38. We have 500 people in here. Welcome to the stream, guys. We are going to be looking at Buzz ETF to see if it's a good time to buy into this. It's basically a social media ETF tracker. God, I hate freaking pop-up blockers, man. How do I get rid of this? It's on Robinhood already? No way. It's not on Robinhood. It is on Robinhood. Look at that. I think I could buy one share. See what happens. What's the worst that can happen, right? Is it even worth buying, dude? All right, so I'm going to look into this ETF. It's only 24 bucks. I'm just going to buy 100 shares. I feel like the speculation aspect of this is going to be crazy. I'm just going to test it out. 100 shares. So I just got 100 shares here. 2,000. I just dropped 2,400 on this. And we're just going to let it play out. After this whole time, I was telling you guys, try to stay away from speculation plays. And then I just go and buy Buzz ETF. I am such a hypocrite, man. I was such a hypocrite. Whatever. Let's see what happens. There's a lot of hype around this company right now. And I think if Dave Portnoy just continues to push this out, one thing that I want to see, right? One thing that I want to see is what will happen because GME, I'm assuming, is going to be in this sector, right? GME is going to be in this. AMC is going to be in this. Let's see, what is let's see what's in what's in this holding. Am I back in the game? Buzz ETF is not a way to recreate the Wall Street Bets phenomenon. Okay. What is in here? In fact, many of the stocks targeted in Wall Street Bets craze wouldn't have had large enough market values to merit inclusion in the Buzz ETF after their seismic run-ups. So we're just looking for what is in this ETF, man. Why is it not showing? Do you guys have a list of what's in here? Would I? No, I would not buy any calls on Amazon, dude. Are you crazy? First off, that thing has to cost like thousands of dollars for a call option. I wouldn't make a bet that big on that. All right, so give me a second, guys. I'm going to look and try to find what are the top 10 holdings here. All right, so we got Twitter, DraftKings, Ford Motors, Facebook, right? Is it also worth noting that Buzz ETF keeps track holdings on his website? All right, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Advanced Micro Devices, American Airlines, Netflix, Tesla. Dude, this is not that bad. This is not bad. I'm just gonna we got 100 shares. This is a diverse, very diverse company. Investwithbuzz.com. Am I getting hacked right now? What is this? So anything can happen on these live streams, man. We just bought 100 shares of Buzz ETF. I'll probably make a separate video on this and go over everything we just went over. So we have like some short form content, but let me share this with you guys so you guys can read up in this on yourself. These are the top 10 holdings of on the date of publication. And let me know what you guys think. All right. I could not buy Buzz ETF on WeBull. Maybe it's too new. Not really sure. Yeah, I could not buy Buzz ETF on WeBull for whatever reason. But I was able to buy 100 shares on here. We're up 0.10%, guys. Thank you. This was going to be one of my most spontaneous purchases. I do some crazy stuff, man, when we're live. I don't know why. CCIV is soaring right now, finally. Let's take a look at CCIV. I guess this is why you guys always come back. You guys are, dude, on live, I've probably spent and invested over maybe $10,000 worth of stocks live. Bitcoin, I know I bought like 10 shares of Alibaba the other day. Today I bought 100 shares of Buzz ETF. Let's take a look at, you guys are blowing up with CCIV. So CCIV, we're up about $1, up 3%, 4%. I wouldn't say this is blasting off, but you know, it's a nice little green candle. Nice, beautiful green candle. There's a lot of buying pressure right here. Look at that volume. That looks beautiful. We are still in the first 15 minutes of the trading hour, so this is something you guys just got to keep an eye on. All right, some real talk. The first hour when it comes to trading on the markets, this is going to be the most volatile hour. So from 9:30 to 10:30, this is when everybody's pent up, needs to make a move for whatever reason. So this is going to be the most volatile time for the stock market and for all the prices in the markets. So if you guys are wondering like when's a good time to get in or get out of a stock, I would say getting out of a stock around this time is good, right? Because there's going to be a lot of buying and selling, so you'll have a lot more volume. But if you're looking for buying opportunities, I would either do it in the afternoon where everybody is like on lunch break. That's just my thoughts. Tesla is continuing to tank. I don't think that's tanking. I would just say it's down. We're down how do you say it's tanking? It's only down it's not even down 1%. I told you it could have been a bull trap. Pre-market, it was running up, and just be careful there, guys. jumping into the chat right now. What are you guys talking about here? Why did I buy Buzz? Pure speculation play. We saw the top 10 holdings in Buzz, and these are legit companies. I always wanted to get into DraftKings. I can always own more Amazon personally. I've always wanted to get into AMD, American Airlines. That's a rough one. I didn't know that was in there. With all the... Wow, that's not good. Already down 0.5% on my investment. So I'm already down $26. This is just a speculation plays. Don't follow me into this trade, guys. Don't follow me into this trade. This is one of the most spontaneous moves I've made personally, and I don't think anybody should be investing the same way I'm doing it. Bought one share. We got some people buying into this too. I feel like after a while, this ETF might make some moves because we got like a media marketing specialist in Dave Portnoy. Maybe we can jump into Twitter here. This is just a, speculation play. Dude, the last time I played this video, I got demonetized, or I got copyright striked. Never again. All right, if you don't think what is happening with Buzz right now doesn't show the power of me and Barstool Sports.
Financial expert, don't take my advice, even though it seems like I never lose. And
right now doesn't show the power of the Barstool Sports. I don't know what is. I'm not a financial advisor. Now he has to say stuff like this because he's in the system, right? He's in the system. He's posting mad stuff right here. Buzz is live. This is the power of DDTG. I don't know what DDTG is. I don't know if you guys know what that means. What is DDTG? I mean, it's only him in it. GameStop's not even in this Buzz ETF. Guys, what is DDTG? What is that? In short, buy Tesla. So if you guys don't know who this is Chicken Genius. He's from Singapore. This guy owns a ton of Tesla. I think it was like 5,000 shares of Tesla at one point, or 3,000. So the numbers are crazy. The numbers are crazy. So if you guys want to watch a Tesla bull, this is who you need to go to if you need hopium when it comes to Tesla. Let's jump back into the chat, guys. What's up? Dave Day Trader Global. Okay. I didn't know you guys are all fans of Dave Portnoy. Thanks. Man, the power of this community is crazy. I wonder what you guys don't know. Down to drunk gossip. Yep, this is vodka in this cup. You thought it was coffee? It's vodka. GME, GG. Let's take a quick look at GME. What's going on with GME? Ooh, now this is a downtrend, guys. It's down 1.7%. A lot of people are taking profits over the last few months. Let's scroll back here on the chart. On the Tesla chart. Let's do it by the day. The last time you could get Tesla at 640 was around the end of last month. The end of last month. I mean, the end of December. Before that, let's see. When was the last time it was $500? The last time it was $500 was in November. And the last time it was $400 was in November as well. October, November. The last time was $400. So, like I said, if you are still into Tesla, if you're still wanting to get into Tesla, I would not rush in here to buy up all the shares. I would just slowly dollar cost average this down. We don't know where the bottom is. We don't know where the all-time high is. All you can do is just play the long game when it comes to this. If Tesla goes back to 500, these numbers, right? These round numbers, 600, 650, these are really big milestones when it comes to the price drops. Paper hand Bruce. All right, man. It's getting a little bit old, I guess. I mean, are you saying that because GME is like shooting to the moon right now? GME is down 3%. Is down $4. Markets are just down today. Portfolio's down 2,500 here. Let's see what it's looking like here. We're down 1% on the Robinhood portfolio. It's all good. Someone just bought 10,000 GME for $120. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. You guys saw me. I bought 100 shares of Buzz. Tesla goes to 400 below. I'm buying. Definitely, that's a good price point. That's a good price point. 420. That's probably a good price point to get into Tesla. Fire sale. Go at the lowest. I would wait and see. $600 people in here. We're going over the entire markets. Did I see that right? Is Alibaba up? Nope. Alibaba is down 1% as well. I mean, I'm not panicking. I mean, I'm a little bit not upset, but I'm not that emotional when it comes to portfolio. Most of my holdings, they're legit, so I'm not too upset here. I'm not too emotional. I don't know. I can't say for everybody else. If you guys are in like crazy stuff, if you guys are into really crazy stuff, just be careful out there, man. The less known your company is, I think the harder it is going to be for you. NEO is down below $40, man. The last time it was around this price level was last year. The good times are over. The good times are over. Buying Tesla at $420.69. That's a good price. I think there's a lot of paper handing going on in the markets. A lot of people just taking profits. Ooh, good call. ARK is a good one to look at. ARK is down 2.7%. Kathy Woods must be getting a lot of hate right now. The music kit Alibaba will go back up, especially with their research and development this year. I'm not too worried about Alibaba. I just wish I had hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest in that company. That's what I want. Why are there no Buzz options? They just got into the market today, so it's the first day that they're in the markets. I would just wait a little bit while before you look that up. I could look at CVS Health. CVS Health is up 1.2%. Let's take a look at Walgreens. Walgreens is down 0.2%. I'm new here. What's NEO? Is that a good buy? Are you talking about NIO or NEO? NEO is from whatchamacallit. I'm pretty sure you're talking about NIO. NEO is I never heard of this company. NEO is from the Matrix. RIP to Rocket. If you're talking about what's her name? Lovely Lucy. If you're talking about NEO, the EV company, it's an okay buy, I think. I would just be really careful to start a position right now because the whole market is starting to slide downwards. Oh yeah, Lucy was talking about NIO. Yeah, we're just rolling through everything right now. Everything is in the red. So I think we were just talking about Neo. This is the first time in like 3 months that it's been at $40. Dude, I know some people that own thousands of shares of Neo right now. But then they got in at an average cost of like 10 to $15. So all of these gains are gone. There's a lot of bag holders if they're holding at 66. A lot of people taking profits right now, guys. A lot of people taking profits. If you can hold on, I would hold on. If not, you guys gotta probably take losses at all-time high prices. I'm some of my positions are down a lot. Let's take a look at today's return. Down 300 on Baba, down 300 on Gap, down 300 on Peloton, down 150 on Tesla, down almost 200 on Square. But we got companies like AT&T pulling us up, Starbucks pulling us up. Doesn't look good. GME down 6%, guys. Are you guys tanking the market right now? Are these 625 of you guys selling off and tanking the markets right now? Just bought into my first M1 Finance portfolio, down 2.7% instantly. Be careful jumping into all of these companies right now. Doing some covered calls today would not be a bad idea. I should be looking into more covered calls. Let's take a look at my covered calls for Gap. They should be in the money right now. Yes. If Gap drops below 2, so dude, I'm gonna make a separate video on Gap. Gap's been doing some good things. They're coming out with a dividend soon, and definitely I'll do an update on for you guys. Joe Biden destroying the market. Let's not get into politics, guys. Let's not get into politics. No comment. We are just watching the entire stock market just tank right now. Well, a lot of my positions are. Are these companies actually in the green? Or am I just seeing things? I don't think this is right. Did everything just turn green on me? So we're looking at the heat map, and I think I'm seeing lies right now. Maybe it's just everything that we're looking at. This does not look right. We're just running through a lot of our positions right now. Just Jesus. It's going down hard. It's going down hard, guys. I think today is the day that you guys just shut off your phones, right? Don't panic. Shut off your phones and just stay away from the markets. Don't even look at your portfolios unless you're planning to do some buying. If you're not planning to do some buying, I would just turn off the phones right now. Stay away from the screens. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are feeling like you want to panic sell. Steven G, I'm outside of Boston. Rocket Mortgage is tanking, I think. Last time I checked, Rocket Mortgage is down 2%. Might be a really good opportunity to buy some stocks today. If you have the cash. If you have the cash to buy in. Why not buy in cheap? What would you recommend, please? Honestly, if you take a look at the whole markets, you're going to see a lot of companies on sale. But if you have no cash to implement right now, which is not the best position, try to stay away from it. Stop buying into trends. Definitely, if you're thinking about buying into trends, make it a small portion of your portfolio. Added ET, ATLY, and Stag. Definitely Cody, one of the biggest members in the community on Discord. If you guys haven't already, jump into the Patreon, jump into the Discord, and you guys have full access to my portfolio if you guys want to see what I'm buying and what in real time. Unless you're on the live stream. So where's my Discord? Let's see. Discord. Jump into the Discord, jump into the Patreon. Links are going to be in the description. Currently, we have, we have over 2,000 members. I'm going to shoot an invite for everybody. Invite's going to be links in the description. Jump into the Discord, guys. I have no thoughts on Plug. I'm not invested in Plug. Is Rocket going to drop more? From the looks of the entire markets, I think Rocket's going to drop more, yeah. What do you think about the stock Oxy? Not a trend. You can please check on this stock. I have no thoughts on Oxy. When I see Oxy, I'm thinking Oxycontin, the drug. All right, thanks for the streams. No problem. Would you be making moves in the stock market right before earnings call, regardless of how that company is doing, is a bad idea. Doing any moves before earnings is very, very risky because you don't know how the markets are going to respond to the earnings call. Even if the earning calls were good, the markets could sell off. If the earning calls were bad, the markets could just, you might think, oh, it's good. The earnings are bad. I'll need to sell, but the markets might buy into that company. So going into earnings is very, very risky. I usually stay away from making big moves before earnings on any company. Dave Portnoy stock. I just bought 100 shares of Buzz. That was probably my riskiest move as of late. And we're down 2%. We're down $65. What's going on with Tesla? I think Tesla is looks like it's just dipping. GME to buy SLGG. I just heard about that earlier in the stream. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Buy the rumor, sell the news, I would say. GME is sitting at 117. I heard somebody bought 10,000 shares at 120. That's got to be rough. That's got to be rough. I have 400 shares of Neo. What do I do now? God. What was your cost basis? If it was $60, $50, God, you gotta just my bad, guys. That was moving the mic. Dude, Neo's down 8%. That's big. A nice little pullback in the markets, guys. I would personally, I would look into buying into today's market, but not dropping a ton of cash. I would just buy some stuff. Don't listen to Aaron. Average cost at 46. If it's a long-term hold for you, when I think long-term, I'm thinking 3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 years from now, what would Neo's price be? I would say it would be roughly that price. Tesla is so cheap. Yes, Tesla is a lot cheaper than it was just a few weeks ago, right? Imagine buying Tesla at 900 and then someone told you, hey, you can buy Tesla at 600. Would you buy it? I think I'll make that deal. Peep Flow. Billy, drop me a text. I need to talk to you about Flow. I want to buy into that. But I don't think I can buy it on Binance or Coinbase. Yeah, don't panic. Panic selling is probably the worst thing you can do We don't know exactly where the markets are going to go, but because you're in it, if you're going to be in it for a few years, there's really no need to panic sell right now. I would consider dollar cost averaging, lowering your cost basis. That's how I look at the markets, right? I'm looking to lower my cost basis whenever I can. And a lot of people are losing their gains right now. But if we look at all times here, we're still up 26,000. I'm still up 26,000. Consider, holding on to your highest conviction trades. I'm going to hold on to those and less speculation plays and dollar cost averaging down, lower your cost basis. I'm holding NEO. It's the Tesla of China. Definitely stick with your guns when it comes to your investing strategy. Stick to your guns. Panic sell equals broke. Panic selling is basically buy high, sell low. Panic selling is buy high, sell low. Don't do that. Bongo, not a fan of Bongo. Any luck on wheat stocks? Wheat stocks is still very speculative companies. I would not be going into wheat stocks right now. Alibaba is sitting at $32, $2.32 and 37 cents. Big downtrend on the day, down almost 1.6%. When it comes to Buzz, I just bought 100 shares. If you guys are just jumping into the live stream, welcome. Let's reset the room really quickly. We are thinking about, if you're thinking about selling, I'm personally not selling anything. There's nothing in my portfolio that goes, oh man, I shouldn't have bought this. I need to sell this before it goes to zero. Don't panic. I'm not panic selling. I'm looking to lower my cost basis on a lot of the companies that I do own already. When it comes to Buzz, I bought into Buzz 100 shares live on the stream at, and man, we were down 83%. 83%. Here's some proof for everybody. Probably wasn't the smartest idea to buy into Buzz, but I'm waiting for the covered calls to come out, and I'm going to be doing some covered calls on this. This is a new ETF from Dave Portnoy, day trader Dave Global. Justin, I'm always buying into Walgreens. I love Walgreens. All right, guys, we've been live for 1 hour. The markets seem to be tanking a little bit. My portfolio is down 2 to 3%. And let us, again, I'm not panic selling. I'm not too worried about this. I'm going to be going into my portfolio, looking for more opportunities to buy into a lot of the companies that are dipping down today. And I'll be buying back in. So if you guys are brand new here, subscribe, hit that notification. I'll check out these videos if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. See you guys in the afternoon trading. Bye.